few moments later.
Karong guys, uli na day ang nanguli na day ang mga kwan senior high school day karon sa Tagtangin National High School. Guys, nanguli sila guys.